In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a loan calculator in Outgrow. If you're new to Outgrow, it's a powerful platform that allows you to create interactive calculators, quizzes, and other lead generation tools without needing to know any code. Today, I'll show you how to make a loan calculator, which can be a great addition to your website to engage visitors and gather leads. Before we dive in, remember that you can get started with Outgrow completely free from the first link below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you. So let's begin. First, head over to Outgrow's dashboard and create a new interactive calculator. You'll see a variety of templates available, but for this, we'll start with a blank template so you can customize everything to suit your needs. Choose Create New and select Calculator. This is where the magic happens. Outgrow offers a very user-friendly interface, so once you've picked the template, you can start adding the variables needed for your loan calculator. The key elements to include are the loan amount, interest rate, and the loan term, usually in years or months. You can add each of these as input fields, and Outgrow will calculate the monthly payments based on the formulas you set up. Next, you'll want to create the logic for your calculator. Outgrow makes this super simple by allowing you to set up conditional logic without writing a single line of code. For example, if someone enters a higher loan amount, the monthly payment will automatically adjust. The platform even lets you customize the display of the results, so it's clear for users to see their monthly payment, total interest, and total cost over the life of the loan. Once your basic logic is set up, it's time to style the calculator. Outgrow allows you to customize the look and feel to match your branding. You can adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout of the tool to fit seamlessly into your website. The best part? Outgrow gives you full control over how the results are presented, whether you want to show them immediately, use a custom message, or even prompt users to get in touch for more details. Now, one of the most powerful features of Outgrow is its ability to integrate with your other marketing tools. For your loan calculator, you can set up email capture fields so that after users get their results, they can input their email to receive the information, or even schedule a call with you for personalized loan advice. This helps build your email list and capture valuable leads. When you're happy with your calculator, it's time to share it. Outgrow makes it simple to embed your calculator on your website with a snippet of code, or you can use the link provided for social sharing. It's that easy to integrate this tool into your website or even on landing pages to start converting visitors into leads. Remember, the best part is that you can try Outgrow for free, and with the link below, you'll get exclusive access to some extra bonuses to make your experience even better. Before you go, let me remind you that using Outgrow is a game changer for marketers, and by leveraging its interactive tools, you can improve your lead generation efforts, engage your audience, and even track user behavior. Creating a loan calculator in Outgrow doesn't have to be complicated, and with the right approach, it's a great way to provide value while capturing leads for your business. And by the way, don't forget, you've got an extended free trial waiting for you. Be sure to check it out using the link below. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating with Outgrow.